Hello everyone, today we are going to solve a very important transient heat transfer problem, cooling of a sphere, and this is a classical application of the lumped capacitance method. This type of question is very common in the GATE, ESE and the university examinations. Okay. So the question says a spherical ball of radius 5 mm is kept in a furnace at 400 degrees Celsius and it is suddenly dropped into a water at 20 degrees Celsius and given density rho is 3000 kg per meter cube. Heat transfer coefficient H is 500 W per meter square degree Celsius and specific heat Cp is equal to 100 J per kg and we need to find the time required for the sphere to cool down at 50 degrees Celsius. So this is clearly a transient heat conduction problem because temperature is changing with time and the body is suddenly exposed to a new environment. Now the big question is, can we apply the lumped capacitance method? The lumped system method is valid if Bi less than 0.1. Okay, where Bi is equal to what? H into Lc by K. Now the thermal conductivity K is not given in the problem. So in the competitive examination, when the body is very small, like 5 mm radius is very small and K is not provided, we assume the internal temperature gradients are negligible. So we proceed using the lump system method. The temperature variation equation is T minus T infinity by Ti minus T infinity is equal to e to the power minus of HA by rho V Cp into T. Now this is the most important formula. Now for the sphere, A by V is 3 by R. So the exponential term simplifies to e to the power minus 3H by rho into Cp into R into T. Okay, that makes calculation much easier. So the initial temperature Ti was 400 degrees Celsius. Now surrounding water temperature T infinity is equal to 20 degrees Celsius. The final temperature T is 50 degrees Celsius. Now plug into the formula. So T minus T infinity minus Ti minus T infinity is equal to 50 minus 20 by 400 minus 20. So that this is 30 by 380. This is near about 3 by 38. So this is 0.0789. Yes, so the equation becomes 0.0789 is equal to e to the power minus of 3h by rho into Cp into R into T. Okay, so now compute the constant term carefully. So now calculate 3h by rho into Cp into R. Now substitute the values. H is equal to 500. Rho is equal to 3000, Cp is equal to 1000 and R is equal to 5 mm, that is 0.005 m. Okay, so here we get 3 into 500 by 3000 into 1000 into 0.005. Okay. So first calculate the denominator. So 3000 into 1000. Now multiply by 0.005. So we get 15,000. Now the numerator 3 into 500, that is 1500. So it becomes 1500 by 15,000. That is 0.1. So very neat number. So the equation reduces to 0.0789 is equal to e to the power minus 0.1 t. Okay, now take the natural log. So taking natural log on both sides, we get natural log 0.0789 is equal to minus of 0.1 t. Now calculate. So we get T is equal to 25.4 seconds. Okay, so the time required The time required is near about 25 seconds. So this is the correct answer for this question. Now let us understand the physics behind this. Okay, so the sphere is very small, radius is 5 mm, and heat transfer coefficient and moderate density and specific heat. So because it is very small, internal resistance to heat conduction is negligible, so the entire sphere is cooled almost uniformly. This is why lumped system works perfectly here, and because water has a high heat transfer coefficient, cooling is very fast, only about 25 seconds. Now whenever you see like the small objects or the sudden immersion, transient cooling, H given, rho given, Cp given, immediately think lumped capacitance method. Capacitance method. Okay, and remember for a sphere, A by V is equal to 3 by R. That saves the time. Okay, now this is a transient cooling problem, and lumped capacitance method is applied here, and final time required is 25 seconds. These problems are very scoring because they are formula based and systematic. Okay, so practice more transient heat transfer problems to build speed and accuracy. So that was the whole solution for this question. I hope this is clear to you. See you in the next video with a new question. Till then, bye bye.